How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. One of my favorite things to do is always find easy, simple ways of improving your movement patterns that doesn't require a bunch of equipment, a bunch of stuff, a special product. I just want you to use like your environment. So what we're going to work in right now is the PAILs and Rails series for internal and external rotation of your shoulder. We're going to use the ground. The earth is going to be your resistance point. So check this out. So you're going to start off here lying on your stomach. You're going to have your arm at 90 degrees. Shoulder, elbow, and hand are all in line with one another. You're going to start by internally rotating into the earth. One of the biggest keys I want you to think about as you do this is to think about that shoulder pulling back and down. So I'll show you from a couple angles here. So shoulders are backing down. Get your chest down low. If I sit up like this motion is really easy and isn't effective. I want you to be down low. So the only muscles I can use are these muscles in the back of my shoulder here, my rotator cuff, teres major, minor, infraspinatus, supraspinatus, all that good stuff in there. So here we go. Arm at 90 degrees, shoulders back and down, deep breath in, and you're gonna rotate into the earth here. You're gonna push as hard as you can for about 20 seconds or so. You should feel a lot of burning back over through here, to that lat, to that teres major and minor. So you're pushing there for about 20 seconds. Now we're gonna do external rotation going back. I'm gonna keep that shoulder back and down, and I'm gonna rotate it here and hold for about 20 seconds. A couple things to look out for. You wanna watch out for your hand. Your hand is gonna wanna creep closer and closer to your face if your body's trying to overuse your bicep. Your elbow will wanna drop to make it easier. It'll try to like get out of the position. So you're trying to keep that 90 degrees the entire time. So backing down, pressing down for 20, opening up for 20, repeat that on multiple times. Let me show you what it looks like from the side. So, arm at 90, shoulder is backing down. Don't let your trap get into it like this. Keep that shoulder away from the ear, shoulder backing down, rotating and pressing into the floor. Make sure as you do this, you keep your rib cage down, your butt cheeks squeezed, so that all the work is happening up here. 20 seconds there, 20 seconds there. Then you perform the same thing on your back, doing the opposite direction. So now I'm on my back, ribs down, back flat. Arm is at 90 degrees here, shoulder, elbow, and hand. If it's hard, if you can't get all the way to here, then you'll start from here and just work on pushing back for 20 seconds and then coming forward. But what we're gonna work on right now for those that have the mobility is they're gonna have that arm flat on the floor. You're gonna externally rotate. So I'm pushing this whole arm through the floor right here. Breath in, ribs down, back flat, pressing, pushing, pushing, pushing. Feeling that stuff tingle, that stuff burning and maybe probably cramping up on the backside. 20 seconds that way, and then 20 seconds here. The big cheat coming forward internally is your shoulder will jump up. As I get to here, if I go any further, you'll see the shoulder kind of pop up. You want to think about that shoulder pressing down to the floor the whole time. If that thing starts lifting, you've gone too far. You're no longer rotating in the joint, you're rotating outside of the joint. So what I want you to think about as you rotate forward, keep this thing down. I'll show you from here. I'm gonna keep that thing down. I'm not gonna let it jump up. I'm gonna keep that thing pinned wherever that spot is. I'm gonna maintain there and keep that pressure so I feel the right stuff working. So again, that is the PAILs and Rails series, internal rotation, external rotation. You wanna make your shoulders strong? I highly recommend doing that on the regular. Have a good day.